Bitcoin or Ethereum, where's it going to move to? And we're not taking a look at the charts, but
we know where it's going right now.
Exactly. It's crazy.
So it finally broke down.
Yeah, I know. Jesus.
It was like ages stuck up there.
That was the hardest short anyone could do at all. I mean, it was like really up and down, nonstop. If you were holding that short for that long of a time, you had the kahunas.
Ooh, you had a banger trade.
Exactly.
I saw my charts. I saw my charts. I saw the gain angles. I saw the point of figure. I saw everything. I said it had to go down. And I didn't took the short. Man,
yeah,
what a mistake.
Don't worry, you're learning, right?
Yeah, but it's for people to see, you know.
And it
was really hard to take that one.
Yeah, and I was like short from a long time ago.
Right here.
Yeah, Inti's cooking for Yanela, his fiance, and my daughter, right? And so yeah, he's a good kid, right? Really appreciate him, right? Look, he's a genius cook. You gotta take a look at that.
I just making a little bit of rice.
Yeah, but still, man, he makes this wonderful rice, right? He cooks it with oil first, right? Remember how?
Yeah, I use olive oil first. Mm-hmm. Then I overcook it so it turns brown. Mm-hmm. I put some beef powder into there as well. A lot of butter, and man, it comes crazy.
Yeah,
it's really tasteful.
He's gonna take care of very well. I mean, she's gonna get a little fat, but
I'm gonna get fat. You know how the woman cooks? Anyways, we were talking about the price, man.
Exactly. Oh wow, yeah, that's right. We gotta get back. We gotta keep on topic, right? Yeah. So, I know. A lot of you guys think that Bitcoin should only go up, right? But that's not how a bull market works, right? It does not go up in a straight line, right? Don't you agree, Inti?
Yes. If you want a healthy move, if you want a strong market, which despite the strong fundamentals that we already have, you need corrections.
Exactly.
It has to be like a staircase.
And if you're dollar cost averaging, and let's just say you're not a trader, you have no idea how to trade this market. Because, it's brutal trading a market like this. It is absolutely painful. And so if you don't want to be in the in a short trade, in a long trade, a short trade, then a long trade, what you have to do is dollar cost average. You just hold your nose, just like MicroStrategies. We know how they purchased they purchased at 19,400.
Nosebleed section.
Yeah, no, nosebleed section. That, I mean, I would have told them, hey, listen, you want to buy $50 million worth? It's fine. Just split up the buys, right? It doesn't matter what price you got, right? Let's just say, I would say, let's just pretend, right? Bitcoin went the opposite direction, because it could have went the opposite just as easily, right? Mm-hmm. It could have went on opposite on us, right?
Yes.
And we've talked about that in the last video. It could have just went the opposite direction just as easily. But let's just say it moved up to $25,000. A 35% correction works out to well below the price that he bought, even if it moved up to $25,000. Now, how's the rice going, man?
Pretty good. I almost burned it.
yeah. All right, you take care of that. So the key thing is you have to dollar cost average if you're not trading. And there's nothing wrong with not trading. Trading is for professionals, people who learned how to trade properly. It takes a long time. It takes about 10,000 hours to learn something new. 10,000 hours, don't you?
Yes, I know.
Yeah? So if you don't have 10,000 hours of trading, you should not be trading. Don't click on my Bybit link. Don't go down on that. When you see that link below, where you see in the comment section, don't click on it. If you don't know how, if you have not spent those 10,000 hours, you can paper trade like Inti's doing.
Mm-hmm. That's how I get in my hours. I'm paper trading. I'm just doing exactly everything that I should do, but I don't put a single penny on the market, and that's how I learn. If I lose, whatever. If I win, I learn something.
Yeah, and that's how you get in your 10,000 hours. It takes time. It sucks. Nothing in life that's going to make you money and a lot of money
is immediate.
Exactly.
Nothing.
Exactly. So there's a lot of scammers in this group, right? You can see right now
in the comment section.
Look in the comment section.
It's going to be like 15 people or 50 people pretending to be Davinci right now, asking you to contact a broker, the manager, or whatever. Those are pure scams. Do not click that. Do not call them. Block them immediately.
Exactly. And there are going to be other scams. Like, for example, there's going to be comments where they seem to be people actually conversating, but they're not. And I delete them whenever I can. So don't fall for those scams. Don't try to be a hero. Don't try to make millions of dollars tomorrow. That's not going to happen. I want all of you to just dollar cost average into Bitcoin or Ethereum. As for the other altcoins, how else do you think they should trade them?
The old lady.
Exactly.
Good old Brian taught us that.
Exactly. Yes. That's the only way you want to get into any of the other altcoins, because honestly, they will wreck you in the long run. Because take a look what happened to all the altcoins in the past, right? They went up in crazy heights. Even Ethereum. It went up to $13,000 Ethereum. What did it crash down to? $50. What was that? That's a 98% loss. Don't take those kind of losses after this bull run. You can get into the altcoins, do the little lady strategy. There's nothing wrong with getting into any alt. Don't let any of those, like for example, Tone Bays, he'll tell you not to touch those things. A lot of other, YouTubers will tell you not to touch them. And you can buy them. Just make sure you're buying the bottom. Even my DJ15 token, right?
Mm-hmm. That is not at the bottom right now, if you ask me.
Exactly. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I'm being honest with you. I mean, I'd prefer my token to go up, right?
Yes, but what's the point? What's the point of people losing money by the token?
Exactly. I know. If you hold it, of course, yeah. Eventually, my objective is to make sure that you do get a higher price, but you don't know what's going to happen in the future, right?
Nope.
You don't know if I'm going to die, if I get sick, if I get if I'm incapacitated or in any way. So you don't want to take that kind of risk. You shouldn't take that kind of risk, right?
Yeah, not with your token, not with any altcoin, not with any asset.
Exactly. So listen, you know what? When I made that video, right, back 7 years ago, there's a video 7 years ago. Do you remember?
Yep, I saw it. It's exploding right now.
Exactly.
Why is that?
It's because that video was sincere. That video was about trying to make poor people rich, right? Trying to give people an opportunity to buy something that was extremely low. And I knew that was going to go a lot higher, right? But I told them, listen, don't risk the farm. Don't bet the farm on that. You just have to buy $1 worth. Just try it out. And then once you tried it out, hey, you know what? Then you'll probably buy a little bit more. But don't go crazy. Don't go insane, right? That's all I'm asking, right? Don't go insane. Don't go, okay, well, I'm gonna bet my life savings on this, man. I know it's going high, man. I'm gonna go all in. No.
Why should a normal person invest?
What?
What is the maximum a normal person should invest?
You know what? When I got into Bitcoins, do you know how much I invested in the Bitcoins? Only 2% of my total net worth. Why? I was sure that it was going to do well because I'm a programmer. I read the source code.
But do you have a crystal ball?
No.
Do you know the future?
No, I don't. I can only project based on my analysis, right? And my analysis is not 100%. I could only do my best, And my best was that, hey, I felt that there's a 90% chance at the time that Bitcoin was going to go higher. Yes, 90% is high. 90% is a lot.
But it's not absolute.
Yes, there's a 10% chance that I can be wrong, right? And so you have to consider that. And with that 10%, you don't want to risk something that you need for your future. So consider that. You need to what's safe. My personal opinion, is not the dollar. It's the gold. It's going to be safe for a long time.
Hard assets.
Yes, exactly. Or if you don't want to buy gold, anything that's real.
Mm-hmm. Anything that is a commodity.
Exactly.
Whatever. What could it be? A piece of art, for
Yeah,
example?
exactly. As long as you know how to sell it, it's good enough. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, you know what? My battery is about to die, and so I'm going to cut this off. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, for helping my channel out, and me and Inti appreciate. I hope, you know what? I hope people made money on this trade. I hope they did. I don't know if any of you guys followed me on this trade, but if you did, congratulations. All right, take it easy.
Goodbye, people.
Remember,
Have to get cooking.
Yeah, remember, Bitcoin is real. Bitcoin's here to stay. Be a part of it.
Bye.